Hello and welcome to the Forex Trading Orientation web class. This is Ademola Oladoja from the Forex Trading Inner Circle, and thank you so much for attending this class today. Not so many people dedicate time to discover new things. My promise is that by the end of this web class, you would have discovered some key things that just a few traders know about. Just do me a favor, watch this video to the end. I'm not selling you anything. I just want to share with you the truth about how Forex trading really works, as opposed to the misleading information, which is 80% of what you're getting online. You see, half incomplete and misinformation is very deadly and has ruined the finances of so many that listen to the wrong people about Forex trading. This training is both for beginners and experienced Forex traders. If you are hearing Forex for the first time, this class is for you. And if you have been trading for the past 6 months, 8 months, 10 years, 20 years, wow, stay and watch this video to the end, because this web class, you are going to discover something that will help you greatly. The reason why I'm sharing this information for free is that I went through some not so funny experiences in the business of Forex trading since 2007 when I started. And as much as possible, I want to guide people that come across me and my content to avoid the mistakes I made at that time. So this program's intention is to correct the wrong orientation people have about the business of Forex trading and disclose the plain truth on how the business works. What I'm about to tell you is not something I read in a book. It's based on what I've seen, what I've learned through experience. I've tested it several times and I know it really helps. The way Forex trading business was presented is the cause of failure of many in the business as we speak. People say Forex trading is a scam. In fact, people that say Forex trading is a scam clearly do not understand the business at all. Forex trading has started way back 500 years ago. And over the past 33 years, the Forex market has grown dramatically. What you're looking at on the chart right now is the growth rate of the liquidity of Forex market from the year 1988 to the year 2021. Now, to understand these numbers, a million has 6 zeros, a billion has 9 zeros, and a trillion has 12 zeros. And that's why I wrote that at the top of this chart, so that you can understand the liquidity I'm talking about. Way back in 1988, it started with about 500 billion, and later it grew up 1992 to 1995, 3.2 trillion in 2007, and 5 trillion by 2021 as I'm speaking to you, because I'm recording this on a Saturday, 2021, 23rd of October. Anytime you are watching this video, this is still the real deal and it's relevant. The business liquidity on a daily basis is $5 trillion. In fact, it's over $5 trillion. I just did some estimates to get these numbers. You too can do your search online. Find out whether what I'm telling you here is true. I would like you to do another thing. Do a Google search. Just type, how old is the Forex market? When you type that, you will see the result. Forex trading is a 500-year-old legitimate business. It has never been a scam and it will never be a scam. One thing I know is that Forex trading is not a scam, but whoever is greedy for quick riches and overnight money, that's the person that will fall prey and get their fingers burnt. Well, if you call Forex trading a scam, in the same way you can call a Toyota or Mercedes or any car a deadly machine. Of course, cars are deadly machines if you don't know how to drive. So the problem is most people don't want to learn and put in the necessary effort to understand the business. They are looking for quick money, and that's why they get their fingers burnt. Another thing I've seen in the Forex trading space is that people you come across say that you can teach Forex in the space of 1 week. It's a big lie. You can't learn Forex trading in 1 week. It will take you 3 months at least to learn how to trade Forex and understand the foundation. You can imagine, we did first degree in the university, spent 4 years without any guarantee of financial success. So you want to learn something that will give you money for the rest of your life and put, extra money in your pocket for just a few weeks, and you think that's enough? Well, people who are making money from coaching people on Forex will want you to believe that you can learn the business within 1 day. It doesn't work like that. There is truly money in Forex, But unless you understand the secrets, just be wasting your money. You keep opening accounts, crashing the account, opening it, crashing it over and over and over again. And that's what most people are doing. So in short, there is a lot of money to be made in Forex. But if you venture into the business with the wrong information, it ends up in regrets. So what I love most about Forex trading is that you have freedom. You are not at the beck and call of anyone. You can decide not to go out for a week and you are making your money than somebody who is slaving from morning till night every single day. But one thing I must make clear is that Forex trading does not make you rich. Forex trading puts in money in your pocket, it puts food on your table, makes you financially comfortable, but it doesn't give you the type of money to go and buy mansions at Banana Island. No. Okay, let's look at this scenario. How much do you want to trade with? Okay, let's say you want to trade with $1,000, right? You have $1,000 you want to trade with. Now, the realistic return on investment, I will tell you that you can make in Forex on a monthly basis is 10% return on investment. So what is the 10% return on investment of $1,000? That's $100, right? Good. Now, if you are trading and you are making $100 as profit every month, does that make you rich? Does that build you a house in Banana Island? It's not. It doesn't work like that. Not to speak of those who are trading with $100, $50, $20, and you want to become rich with $20, with $50. You believe you can convert that $50 to $500 to $5,000. That is what they make most traders to believe. But the reason why I'm doing this web class is to correct all these wrong orientations and give you what truly works so that you won't end up wasting your money. Okay, let me share one secret with you. The first secret I want to share with you is this. You will lose the first money you put into Forex. Lots of Forex trading related businesses, they know this fact, and that's why they will entice you to put a massive amount of money into a business you don't understand, so that when you lose, your money will belong to them. So I personally tell my mentees that never invest more than 2,000 Naira in Forex if you are a beginner, especially if you live in Nigeria. But you'll be wondering, 2,000 Naira? Are you kidding me? Yeah, truly, 2,000 Naira. In Forex Trading Inner Circle, we have a special account you open with just 2,000 Naira and the broker escalates the money to 200,000. It's real money and you can withdraw the profit. I know this will sound crazy and unbelievable to many, but let's just leave that for now and continue. Most newcomers in Forex trading don't realize the fact that they will lose their first investment in Forex. So unfortunately, they go ahead, borrow money, sell their belongings, empty their savings to invest in something they have not learned very well. So just like a baby, learning how to walk, a baby that is learning how to walk will fall several times before getting the hang of the balancing act. So just as someone who is trying to learn how to trade Forex, you will lose your first account. You will make mistakes. So don't make that mistake on the work that you have labored for this year. Do it with something small. And when you figure it out, that's when you increase your capital and you trade with a bigger amount. Now, for those who have been trading Forex before, you have experience, it's not the first time you are trading Forex, I want to tell you something that no one has ever told you before. And I'm sharing this information with you because you are humble. Despite the fact that I called this class an orientation class, you didn't believe you know it all and you stayed even up to this very moment. So here's the secret I want to share with you. Whatever knowledge of Forex trading that you have been exposed to is structured to make you lose. Let me say that again. Whatever training, whatever orientation, whatever seminar, whatever kind of training that you have gotten on Forex trading, that training is geared and structured to make sure that you are losing in Forex trading. What I'm saying here is very controversial, I know, but it's true. Let's look at it. Everybody is using indicators, right? Looking at news, looking at heat maps and different forms of scanners in quotes. In fact, have you ever wondered why are these indicators free on MetaTrader? Because they want the general crowd to think the same way. Let me say something. If you do the opposite of what majority are doing, your life will be better than most people. There's a different approach you can use in trading this Forex and the results will show. And if you are a beginner, sorry, I'm not here to scare you. I just want you to understand what you're about to put put your hands into. That's why I did this orientation class. I didn't do this to scare people away from Forex. I'm doing it for those who want to know what they're about to put their hands into, count their cost and make the decision to start learning the business of Forex, because truly there is money to be made in Forex. It just requires some degree of preparation and emotional strength. In fact, I would say never go near Forex if you are not the patient type. If you know that you are not patient, don't even go into Forex. Don't trade Forex. And if you are the type that you never accept that you are wrong, please stay away from Forex for your own good. Don't go near the business. Then the third thing, if you believe that you are a greedy person, you are extremely greedy, it's better you don't even go near Forex. Don't do it. It's better you stay away from that business. But the category of people that should go into Forex and trade Forex are people that they consider themselves humble enough to heed to specific instructions given, and they have the patience to learn, relearn, and unlearn. If you are looking for something that you are going to get now, immediately, money that you are going to spend this month, and you want to quickly learn Forex so that you can make that money this month, don't go near Forex. Forex will not give you money this month. If you want to even learn in the next 3 months, don't expect any money to come to your hands through Forex. Forex is for those who are ready to prepare for the long-term success. If what you need is an overnight windfall, just go for another business. I've been trading Forex for the past 13 years. And before I started making money in Forex, I've traded for almost 2 years before I started getting results from my trading. So anyone telling you that you start trading today and within few weeks you start making money, the person doesn't have your interest at heart. The person wants to make money from your money. So if you want to understand the business, you want to learn the business, the truth of how the business works, what you need is not a strategy. What you need is not a training. What you need is mentoring. In Forex trading, there are so many wolves and you need a mentor. I mean, somebody that will take you by the hand. Somebody that you will call the person's number, he will pick your call. Somebody that you are in a bad trade, you can call and he will give you guidance. You need a mentor, not a trainer. And that's what I do for anyone who is interested in learning the business. As a mentor, I'm ready to take you by the hand and be there for you in the journey of trading. But there's some things I want you to know first. Here are the key things about the trading approach that we use in Forex Trading Inner Circle. Number 1, you trade fewer trades and make more profit. There are some people that they trade from morning to night, 25 trades per day, 18 trades per day. We don't do that in Forex Trading Inner Circle. Within a week, it's just maybe 2 trades or even 1 trade or even no trade at all within a week. It's not the amount of trades that you enter that determines how much successful you are going to be in the business. So we don't trade frequently. Number 2, you trade without fear. There's some people that trade this business, they trade Forex, and they are writing a letter to high blood pressure because the method of their trading doesn't give them peace of mind. You are in a trade, you are not really sure of yourself, you still quickly close and quickly open, and you are not really sure of yourself. We don't do that in FTIC. You trade without fear. Then number 3, it's very difficult for you to crash your account. If you follow what I tell you to do, it's very difficult for you to crash your account. Very difficult. If you crash your account, that means you are doing something wrongly or you are not following what I told you to do. Very difficult for you to crash your account. Then the 4th thing is that your expectation is 10% return on investment monthly. Each month, you are making 10% profit. It could be more than that, but I don't give unnecessary hyped promises to people. 10% return on investment. You invest $1,000, you are making $100 monthly. You understand? You invest $10,000, you are making $1,000 monthly. That is the realistic goal to expect from the business of Forex trading. So if you don't have up to $1,000 or any other thing, there's a system I introduced to you that you not waste your time, you not waste your money, you do what is right and you get the result. So if you are ready to learn, unlearn and relearn, as I said, if you are ready to accept new information, apply new information and test the waters of Forex before jumping in, I'm ready to help. But if you want to rush into the business and my methods are too slow for you, then I'm sorry, I cannot help you. Before the next class, I want to give you a special gift and access to a tool I created for Forex traders. I've put the request link below this video. And that's the reason why, you see, I'm not requesting for your email. I'm not requesting for your name or your phone number. I just give you access to this video so that when you watch this video and after watching it, you consider me as someone you want to learn more from. Then you can now request for the remaining resources that I want to give you. So to request for the resources, just click on the button below this video and I'll forward this to you through WhatsApp. There's also a book I want to send to you before the next orientation class. So when you click on the link below the video, it will automatically launch WhatsApp and it will connect you with my WhatsApp line so you can send a predefined message to me on WhatsApp. Once I see that message, I will know it's from those who watch this web class, and I'll be able to send you the link to the next class, the next web class coming up, so you can also have access to the information. And just as this class was free, the next web class is as well free, so you can have enough information before you make a decision on going into Forex. I hope you're able to enjoy this class and get some benefit from all that you have heard. See you in the next web class. Bye.